Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Motion XT-Alpine cargo box from Thule. The Motion XT-Alpine boasts a modern design with a sleek high-gloss finish. It has a cargo capacity of 16 cubic feet and measures roughly 90 inches in length, 33 inches in width, and 12¼ inches in height. This cargo box features dual-side opening for easy access on either side of your vehicle. Included with the box is a set of keys, instruction manual, and tie-down straps. The Motion XT-Alpine attaches to your crossbars with 4 clamps. These clamps mount to this adjustable track located inside the box. With this style of mounting hardware, lots of adjustment is possible to ensure the box can be placed in the best position for your application and allow for clearance for the rear hatch. Once you have the box in position, you'll want to tighten the knobs atop the clamps until you hear a clicking sound indicating it has been tightened fully. With that, the Motion XT-Alpine is installed and ready to go. Thank you for checking out our video. If you have any questions about the product, please give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.